Remember, anytime we divide fractions, we have to copy the first fraction down. So 4 over 11. Division has to be changed to the multiplication. The second fraction, okay, has to be flipped upside down. In other words, I have to find the reciprocal of the second fraction. So I have 11 over 5. Now, before I'm going to perform multiplication, I have to check if I can reduce something. Remember, anytime we multiply fractions, we're supposed to check if we can reduce any numerator with any denominator. I have 11 over here and 11 over here. I can reduce this denominator by 11 and this one by 11. Okay, so I have 4 over 1 times 1 over 5. Now I can multiply. Remember, anytime you multiply fractions, you have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. 4 times 1 is 4, and 1 times 5 is 5. This is the solution to my problem.